Hey kids, have you ever looked up after a rain shower on a sunny day and gasped at that giant colorful arch stretching across the sky like a secret treasure bridge just for you? That's a rainbow. And it's not magic from wizards or fairies. It's sunlight playing a sneaky game with raindrops to burst into the wildest party of colors ever. Sunlight looks white to our eyes, but it's actually packed with all the colors of the world smushed together like a superhero team hiding in plain sight. And when those raindrops act like tiny prisms, yep, just like the shiny glass triangles you see in science kits, they grab that light, twist it around inside, and shoot it back out, split into red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, the ROYGBIV squad marching in a perfect curve. Outside on a drizzly sunny afternoon, the sun hits millions of drops hanging in the air, each one bending the light a smidge more until bam, that dazzling bow appears, always the same order because red loves to wave first from the top, lazy and warm, while violet squeezes in last at the bottom, cool and mysterious, and you can only see it if you're standing with the sun behind you and rain ahead, like you're the chosen explorer spotting the pot of gold at the end. But wait, what if it's stormy and you can't chase one outdoors? No worries. Let's whip up our own indoor rainbow adventure right now. It's so easy, you'll feel like a mini scientist wizard. Grab a clear glass, fill it halfway with cool tap water until it sparkles like a hidden ocean. Set it on a table smack by a sunny window so the light pours in like a golden river. Then dim the room a tad for extra drama. Switch on your trusty flashlight or even your phone's light if that's handy, and hold it right behind the glass, aiming the beam straight through the water like you're firing a laser into a crystal cave. Now snatch a sheet of white paper and hold it in front of the glass where the light spills out. Watch closely, hold your breath, and there it goes, a shimmering stripe of rainbow exploding onto the page, red leading the charge with its fiery glow, then orange bursting like a juicy fruit, yellow zipping in sunny and bright, green rolling like fresh grass after a storm, blue diving deep like the ocean's whisper, indigo sneaking in shadowy and sleek, and violet capping it off with a purple punch that makes you go, whoa! Keep twisting the glass or flashlight angle, and the colors dance and stretch, getting longer or shorter, fainter or fiercer. It's your personal light show, proof that water bends sunlight just right to unlock those hidden hues, because every drop is a sneaky splitter, slowing down the colors differently inside, with red cruising fastest and violet lagging like it's savoring the fun, all bouncing off the back of the drop and zooming out at wild angles to paint your paper masterpiece. Isn't that bonkers how something as simple as water and a beam turns boring white light into a fireworks frenzy of ROYGBIV? It's like the sun's whispering, hey kid, I've got secrets, wanna see? And the best part, this isn't just a trick, it's how every real rainbow in the sky gets born, from the pitter-patter storms to the misty waterfalls that sometimes hide double rainbows if you're super lucky, with a fainter one flipped upside down like an echo. So next time thunder rumbles and sun peeks out, dash outside with wide eyes, tilt your head just so, and hunt that arc. Maybe even yell rainbow alert to your friends, because now you know the superpower secret. Light loves to split and shine when water's in the mix, turning rainy days into the most epic color quests ever. What's your favorite stripe in the bunch? And hey, challenge time. Build your glass rainbow today, snap a pic of it glowing, and dream up what you'd find at the end of a real one. Chocolate rivers, flying unicorns, go make some magic happen!